I just received my Aquatak 110 power washer and I've done an unboxing. I've laid it out nice and neatly and I just want to tell you guys what comes in the box because I haven't seen one of those videos around. So, okay, so obviously you get the box itself, which is actually quite cool because on the box you can see all the accessories that you can get. And right off the bat, you get all these instructions, you know, like a quick instruction, right? I'll still read the instruction manual, which is what that is, but always nice to see that. Of course, we have the main unit itself. Okay, you get the main unit. And here is a hose. Actually, this hose is what goes between the lance and the unit. You get the instruction manuals. You get this holster that actually fits in here. It allows you to store away the lance. You get the soap bottle. You get a choice of 3 different nozzles. Lance, which is awesome, very nice and light. And the lance extender, or extension as it said. So there you go.